Nebraska Waste Solutions is your premier destination for efficient waste management, specializing in top-notch dumpster rental services in the heart of Lincoln, Nebraska. Our commitment to environmental responsibility is reflected in our seamless waste disposal solutions, tailored to meet the unique needs of both residential and commercial clients. At Nebraska Waste Solutions, we believe in turning waste into opportunity, ensuring a cleaner and greener future for our community. Look no further than Nebraska Waste Solutions for those seeking reliable dumpster rental in Lincoln, Nebraska. With a simple call to 402-309-5040, our dedicated team is ready to assist you in selecting the perfect dumpster size for your project. Our user-friendly website, www.nebraskawastesolutions.com, provides detailed information on our services, pricing, and a straightforward booking system, making securing the right dumpster for your waste disposal needs convenient. Choose Nebraska Waste Solutions for a hassle-free and eco-friendly approach to managing your waste. Dumpster rental near me. Lincoln, Nebraska has never been more accessible and efficient than with Nebraska Waste Solutions. Our commitment to excellence and sustainability sets us apart as the go-to choice for individuals and businesses. We make sure that your waste disposal needs are met with utmost precision and convenience. Partner with Nebraska Waste Solutions for a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable tomorrow.